Hi, I've owned a Tesla Model 3 for about 12 months, and I find that the creep mode is a particularly useful feature for safety so that you don't roll forward or backward as easily as you would, say, an automatic ICE car where you have the feedback to put your foot on the brake, or the vehicle will move forward if it's in drive and backwards if it's in reverse. And I still use this feature because it's easy to get into old habits. Say you're a little distracted or you didn't sleep so well the night before. It's probably a good idea for a lot of people. And some people will just prefer not having that feature, and to each his own. In any event, I'm going to show you how to get into the creep mode with the tablet screen of this Model 3. You go into the symbol where it shows the car. I trust it's the same for the X and the S, only you might have to check that if you do not own the Model 3 and you own a different type of Tesla. Then you go over to where it has driving, and you slide the white circle over to the right so it's blue, so the creep mode is activated. And then you can either close it out this way, or you could have just pressed on the symbol of the car. I hope this has been useful. If you look to the bottom of this video, you'll see my code information so you can get free Tesla charger mileage if you purchase a Tesla with this code. Thank you for your time. Take care.